How you guys doing? It's me again, Derek Bernard, and today we'll be working with the Smart Cruise Control. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to turn it on, and then when we get on the highway, I'll actually engage it. So what we do is you would just simply press the cruise button, turn on the cruise control, then you would set the speed, and then it's saying that Smart Cruise Control conditions are not met. That's because we're not on the highway and we're not doing about 40 miles per hour. So right there, I'll just go over it one more time. That's how you set the cruise control. So you hit the cruise, then you set the speed, and then that gives you the ability to set the distance as well. And I'll show you that, you guys, when we get on. Here you are, guys. We are actually on the road this time. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the cruise button. Then we're going to go ahead and set it. And you can actually see the vehicle right up there in front of us. So that's a cool little feature. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more speed to it. And I haven't put my foot on the brake, haven't put my foot on the gas. You can actually see the vehicle up there in front of us. And the way this works is that if that vehicle in front of us was to come to a stop, we're actually going to come to a stop as well. And as long as we're not sitting for too long, the G70 is actually going to pick up speed and continue forward. So that's why they call it the Smart Cruise Control with stop and go feature right there. So there we are, you guys. That's how we use the Smart Cruise Control in the G70, and all of the models have Smart Cruise Control that are eligible for it as far as trim levels or whatever. So if you guys got any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call, 828-298-4911. We're also at 860 Tunnel Road, you guys. Come check us out. Thank you.